Dear students, let me present to you the application of the continuous uniform distribution with the help of an example. Suppose that in a quiz there are 30 participants. A question is given to all 30 of them, and the time allowed to answer this question is 25 seconds. Suppose that we want to find the probability that a participant will respond within 6 seconds. Also, we are interested in finding out how many of the 30 participants can be expected to respond within 6 seconds. So, how will we go about it? सबसे पहली बात यह है कि हम ये नोट करेंगे कि time taken to answer the quiz question is our variable. Obviously, this is what we are interested in. So this is the variable of interest and we will denote it by capital X, जैसा कि हम करते हैं. उसके बाद अगली बात ये नोट करें कि जो interval हमारे पास available है for capital X, for our variable X, that is from 0 seconds to 25 seconds. So we can write X lies between 0 and 25. क्योंकि देखिए obvious है कि 0 सेकेंड से कम में तो कोई भी स्टूडेंट आंसर नहीं कर सकता और 25 सेकेंड से ज़्यादा अलाउड नहीं है. इसके बाद अगर हम ये assume करें कि X is uniformly distributed, then we can write small f of x is equal to 1 over 25 minus 0. In other words, 1 over 25. Why have I said this? Because obviously we know that the PDF of the continuous uniform distribution is given by 1 over b minus a, where x lies between a and b. यहाँ a is equal to 0, b is equal to 25. So obviously 1 over b minus a is 1 over 25 minus 0. तो ये आ गया हमारे पास small f of x. अब let's see कि हम question क्या था जो हम solve करना चाह रहे हैं. We are interested in finding the probability that a participant will respond within 6 seconds. In other words, we want to find the probability of capital X being less than or equal to 6. And students, probability of X being less than or equal to 6 can obviously be written as capital F of 6. क्या मैं लिख सकती हूँ कि नहीं? Of course I can. After all, what is capital F of where X may be any particular number? Of course, it is the probability of capital X being less than or equal to that small x. तो यहाँ पे जो हम ये निकालने जो probability निकालना चाह रहे हैं, that is actually the value, the numerical value of the CDF of this distribution at the value at the point x is equal to 6. तो अगर ये बात है तो फिर जाहिर है कि हमें वो एक्सप्रेशन सामने लेके आना चाहिए जो कि कंटिन्यूस यूनिफॉर्म डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन के CDF का एक्सप्रेशन होता है. We know that for the interval a to b, the expression of capital F of x for the continuous uniform distribution is x minus a over b minus a. तो यहाँ पे a की वैल्यू 0 और b की वैल्यू 25. So let us substitute f of x is equal to x minus 0 over 25 minus 0. तो ये क्या बन गया? x over 25. और अब now let us put x equal to 6. So what do we get? Capital F of 6 is equal to 6 over 25. यानी जो probability हम निकालना चाह रहे थे वो हमने निकाल ली है. The probability that a student will answer the quiz question within 6 seconds, it is equal to 6 by 25, which is a little less than 25%. 6 fours are 24, and this is 6 over 25. अब दूसरा जो पार्ट है इस क्वेश्चन का, उस पर गौर करें. हमने ये जानना चाहा कि how many of the 30 participants can be expected to respond within 6 seconds. देखिए यहाँ पे हम जो चीज़ निकालना चाह रहे हैं, that is called expected frequency. और expected frequency का जो फॉर्मूला होता है वो क्या होता है? The probability multiplied by the total number. तो यहाँ पे 6 over 25 जो probability निकाली है, उसको हम 30 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, and that comes out to be 7.2. लेकिन obviously हमें इसको राउंड डाउन करके 7 कहना होगा, क्योंकि 7.2 participants तो नहीं है ना. So we will have to round it to the nearest integer, and that is 7. And we can say that it can be expected that out of the 30 participants who are taking this quiz, 7 will be answering the question within 6 seconds.